Today on Mom's Dinner, we're going to be making fresh pesto, which is a classic Italian sauce that's made mostly of fresh basil. So to get started, you do need a blender or food processor. You need a ton of fresh basil. We need 5 cups here. So you'll want to take your basil and remove the woody stem pieces and just use the delicate stems and the leaves. You can discard the hard stem portions. Then you'll need the juice of 1 lemon. So you'll need about 4 tablespoons total. So that may be 1 or 2 lemons depending on how big they are. Next, you need walnuts. I like to use walnuts in mine, but you could also use pine nuts if you prefer that nut instead. Then you need 7 cloves of garlic. It is a lot of garlic, but it adds a punch of flavor that's perfect in your pesto. Next, you need extra virgin olive oil, and you do want to use the extra virgin type because it has a little more flavor. Then you'll need kosher salt. And finally, you can add a little Parmesan cheese into your pesto, but that's completely optional. Let's get started with the sauce. So you will add your walnuts and your garlic to your food processor, and you're just going to want to pulse it about 20 or 30 times, breaking down those initial ingredients. You don't want to make a paste, you just want them to be kind of in a fine crumble. So once they look about like this, then you can add your other ingredients. So you'll add all of your basil, the lemon juice, and the kosher salt. Now, if you're using Parmesan cheese, go ahead and add that at this point. Now go ahead and turn on the processor, and once everything starts to come together, you will drizzle in your 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil through the top feed tube. You may need to scrape the sides down once in a while just to make sure that everything blends together. And that's it. Your pesto is ready. You can use it right over hot pasta, over grilled chicken, shrimp, whatever you like. And the good thing is the extra freezes really, really well. So to find the full printable recipe, the link is in the description box below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.